Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For my Soleha, my student, before you answer this question, please pray before. And for today, we will answer the question in the workbook, but you don't have a workbook yet. Inshallah, we will be sent next week. Yeah, that's your workbook. So Ustazah send it in PDF form in our Google Classroom. Yeah, and this video that's about how to answer this part and these materials, and after you answer you can send to uh, via WA or via via Google Classroom. And for our materials about the characteristics of living things, this is the basic of the materials in science about the characteristic of living things. Actually, that's characteristic of living things. It's so many characteristic like breathe, move, uh, reproduce, living or not, or live. That's so many kinds of the characteristic of living things. And for this material about living and never living and never live, about living and never live, that's for number one. Everything can be placed in one of three groups: living, once living, or never live. For example, now, for part A, volcanic rock, that's we can group in the living or non or never live. Yeah, like you write like that. For example, volcanic rock is, if you say living you can write here living. Yeah, if you say the volcanic rock is never live, please write here that never live, and please write the reason. Please write the reason here why you say that volcanic rock is living, like that. Yeah, and we move to the next page, is page 2. Yeah, next to sign of life. Yeah, sign of life, it's mean tanda-tanda kehidupan. That's tanda kehidupan. That's for number 2. A rabbit is eating grass. Its ears turn the face of sound and the rabbit stops eating. As sound gets louder and the rabbit hops away. For the question part A, how many sign of life is the rabbit displaying? Berapa? Berapa signs of life, berapa tanda-tanda kehidupan yang ditunjukkan oleh si rabbit from this sentence. You can write here 2 or 3, and then for part B, name each life sign and write down. Ya, tuliskan di sini. If you say 2 here, so this is also you can write 2 like that, my student. And then for the next about the characteristic, selain dari sign of life, this is the animal life. That animal life, this question, name an animal that lives in water and has a skeleton on the outside. Tuliskan. You can write 1, 2, and others. Ya, name, tuliskan nama hewan yang hidup di air and memiliki rangka luar. Right here, you can write 1 or 2, once or more. Yeah, and then this is about plant life. That's we can look at. This is question say what sign of the life being shown in a by plant on the next page. Yeah, we move to the next page. Page 3. So for today, you only answer until plant life. Yeah, in this eating and feeding for next week. Yeah, this is next week for this. So you write or answer part 1 and page 1 until page 3. And for this, because about the plant life, and you can look at this, this picture about the plant. That plant, this is the type of the plants have the, if this plant reproduce uh, like bud, uh, produce a bud like tunas. Yeah, here this is the new plant, this is new plant, and then just new plant, and then please write when a new plant spread out over the ground the two sign of life it displays. Tuliskan dua ya, tanda kehidupan yang ditunjukkan dari this plant. Nah, until ini ya, until this part, see you answer. That's if you have another question for this question, you can ask to Ustazah in via WA ya, chat. And if you done to answer, you can directly send to our Google Classroom or our WA, but you must confirm to Ustazah. Ustazah, I'm ready to send. And I say thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.